Here we have a sample document with several headings and subheadings. For Word to generate a table of contents, you first need to tell Word which text is a heading, subheading, or sub-subheading. To do that, simply select your heading text. Then go to the Home tab and apply a style. Use Heading 1 for main headings. Use Heading 2 for subheadings. And Heading 3 for sub-subheadings. You can also customize the style of any heading. Just right-click on the heading style, like Heading 1, and choose Modify here. You can change the font, size, or color to match your document design. Now, to insert your table of contents, click where you want to place it, usually at the beginning of your document. Go to the References tab at the top. Click Table of Contents, and choose one of the built-in automatic styles, such as Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. And that's it. Your table of contents is instantly created with all the headings, subheadings, and page numbers perfectly arranged. If you add new sections or move content around, just click on your table. Then select Update Table. You can choose to update only the page numbers, or the entire table if you've added new headings. Click OK, and your table of contents will refresh automatically. Even better, this table of contents is clickable. Hold Ctrl plus click on any heading to jump straight to that section. And if you export your document as a PDF, you can click directly, without holding Ctrl, to navigate through the document instantly. That's how easy it is to create and update an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.